I see in this video? I can see in this video a 9 years age old boy who is on hospital setting. Okay, there is no any dysmorphic feature I notice, no any device attached, and the child is on hospital setting. There is no any distress, and someone giving him the direction to stand from the sitting position, checking the Gower sign, and it is positive. Also, I am seeing there is a calf muscle hypertrophy of the child, and so putting together, I think my differential diagnosis: first Duchenne muscular dystrophy, Becker muscular dystrophy, muscle myopathy disease. History, I would like to ask: onset, course, and duration. Anything make it better, anything make it worse. Then, is there his walking pattern? Any abnormal walking pattern? He when sitting to standing positions, any abnormal way, like holding his knee and like climbing, he can stand from sitting positions. He's when he started fast walking, any delayed walking, any frequent fall. This is I want to ask. And family history of any similar conditions. Anyone died from family, any chronic conditions? The child is suffering any chronic conditions. Child has any history, drug history, of course, take any medication he's taking. And the child has any cardiac problem like chest pain, palpitation, shortness of breath, respiratory problem, cough, repeated respiratory tract infections, just child feeling weak, any weak feeling, developmental any problem issue. These are history I'd like to ask. Examination, I do the neurology examination fully, like inspection tool, power reflex, upper limb, lower limb, if need cranial nerve, cardiology examinations, musculoskeletal examinations, respiratory system examinations, his vitals, heart rate, respiratory rate, blood pressures. So everything overall general examination I will do. Investigation, I will do the creatine phosphokinase, CPK will be high. Then creatine phosphokinase we are doing the chest x-ray, ECG, echo. Is there any cardiac or respiratory issue? We are doing biopsy, we can do confirmatory test. These are maybe dystrophin gene, it is genetic test, we can do dystrophin X-linked dystrophin gene is involved in this case. Investigation management is I will involve first multidisciplinary team, neurologist, geneticist, neurologist, geneticist, then the physiotherapist, occupational therapist, lies with the school, psychological support to the family, educational healthcare plan. These are multidisciplinary team, and family counseling, that the disease education about the disease process. Also, I will give the steroid, which is actually prevent the progression of the disease, and etalurin nowadays the new modern treatment. Counseling the family about the nature of the disease, and the next pregnancy should need to be follow up. And one questions that what will be the next pregnancy, the chance, that is family history is positive, then 50% chance, and if there is no any family history, then it is 3% chances.